10,000. Second offense, 3 months suspension. Third offense is 6 months suspension. Fourth offense and succeed NPDL 2 years revocation. Fourth and succeeding PDL virtual revocation. Submission of fake documents in relation to the applicant for driver's license, new or renewal, superseded under section 4 or 23B.D of Republic of number 10930 with the offense of 20,000, 3,000 plus 1 year disqualification plus criminal charges, failure to carry driver's license, certificate of registration CR or official receipt OR when driving a motor vehicle. Remarks 1,000.
Thank you. Then, sabi ko nga, reckless driving. Sa mga reckless driving, paano naging reckless driving? If ever kayo ay nag-drive ng isang ano yan? Unregistered motor vehicle. Kapag nag-drive kayo ng unregistered motor vehicle, automatic yan. Reckless driving yung kaso nyo. Ano? Then, submission of faith. O kaya kailangan yung mga papeles, automatic yung totoong mga pangalan nyo ang nasasagit ninyo. Ano? Hindi yung aliases, nagwagawa kayo ng aliases. Then, also supposed to be failure to carry. May driver license ka nga. Ang problema, nasa bahay ninyo. May student permit ka nga, nasa bahay nyo din. Automatic. Yan po ay 1,000 pesos. Ang problema, kapag kami kasama ninyo, bukod yung penalty ninyo 1,000 pesos, kami, meron din kami penalty. Yung inyong instructor. Usually, binibigyan din ng penalty. Yung aming suspension of the, yung aming driving instructor namin. Okay, next time.
Violation. All other violation of traffic rules and regulation. Parking. Letter A in an intersection. B within 6 meters of the intersection. C 4 meters from driveway entrance. D within 4 meters from fire hydrant. E in front of the private driveway. F on the roadway side of any unmoving or park. And B at the curve or edge of the highway. G at any place where sign of prohibition have been installed. Number 2, disregarding of traffic sign. 3, allowing passengers on the top or cover of a motor vehicle except in a truck helper. So remark 1,000.
Okay, sabi niya, parking. Siguro, alam na, sa intersection, automatic, bawal, ano? Then, within 6 meters mula doon sa intersection, bawal daw po mag-park. 4 meters for the driveway entrance, o sa mga driveway. Even though kahit po sa driveway ng kapitbahay nyo, bawal po yun. Within 4 meters for the fire hydrant, o sino ba alam ng mga fire hydrant na yan, kung ano yan? Doon sa kuha ng tubig ng bumbero. Okay. Doon daw po ay bawal tayo mag-park. Usually, ang nangyayari minsan, pag tumalag-park at biglang nag-emergency, kailangan yung bumbero ng tubig, malamang yung bitana ang inyong kotse, nangyayari na kasi yun, papasagin nila yan at doon idadaan yung post sa bitana ng sakyan. Or, usually, karamihan naman doon is persang tinutulak yung sakyan mo. Kaya, huwag ninyong paparadahan doon sa fire hydrant o